So hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. In this video we will see how to use Design AI tool to create outstanding video content for your new YouTube channel. Today we will create a complete video with the help of AI, so let's begin. At first go to the website called Design AI, you can Google it to find it. After coming to the website just sign in. After coming to the dashboard, you'll see lots of tools you can use. But in this video we will use Create Video Content. With this tool we can create complete video with voiceover. Just click the Create Video Content. After that just click on New Draft. Now we are going to start making a new video. As you can see, asking for the title and the video script. To generate the title and the script we will use ChatGPT. So let's go to the ChatGPT to generate the video script. After come to the ChatGPT, we have to create a 1-minute script for our video. For that I am gonna ask ChatGPT like, write me 1-minute script for a YouTube video about top 5 destination in Dubai to impress your lover. Now just hit enter. And see how ChatGPT will generating our complete script. After getting the script from ChatGPT, just copy the whole script from ChatGPT, just paste it here. Now generate some titles for this content. So I asked ChatGPT to generate the title for this script. After generating the titles, just copy one of them and paste it here. Just click the arrow button, and go to the next step. Now select your industry, so I select travel, hospitality, tourism. Now select your preferred language and voice artist and click next. It will take some time create the complete video, so let's wait few minutes. So our video is ready. This is really awesome. Let's play the video and see this magic worked. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to share with you the top 5 destinations in Dubai that will impress your lover. Dubai is known for its luxurious lifestyle, stunning skyscrapers, and lavish experiences. So, if you're planning a romantic trip to Dubai, make sure you visit these places. First on our list is the Dubai Miracle Garden. It's the world's largest flower garden with over 45 million flowers in various shapes and colors. So guys, as you can see, our video is ready with proper video content and voiceover about top 5 destination in Dubai to impress your lover. This is really amazing. You don't have to do anything. This tool will help you to create your video content with a clean voiceover. You can also see there are hundreds of royalty-free video content. If you don't like any of the scenes that created by this AI tool, you can also change them from content library. Now there is an option to upload your own logo this video, so just click on the logo and upload your logo to this video. So we have successfully added our logo. You can also add subtitles and voiceover if you don't. You can cut and clone any of the scene for here. You will find all the video editing option right here. Like now I am changed the first intro for this video. I will browse the library and find a perfect fit for this video. Now let's check the video again. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to share with you the top 5 destinations in Dubai that will impress your lover. Dubai is known for its luxurious lifestyle, stunning skyscrapers, and lavish experiences. So, if you're planning a romantic trip to Dubai, make sure you visit these places. First on our list is the Dubai Miracle Garden. It's the world's largest flower garden with over 45 million flowers in various shapes and colors. Imagine strolling hand in hand with your lover amidst a sea of flowers. It's a sight we won't forget. You can also change the transition between two scenes. You can add any type of transition from here. Today, we are going to share with you the top 5 destinations in Dubai that will impress your lover. Let's see how the transition works. You can change the text, transition, audio for this awesome AI tool. First on our list is the Dubai Miracle Garden. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to share with you the top 5 destinations in Dubai that will impress your lover. Dubai is known for its luxurious lifestyle, stunning skyscrapers. You can select your aspect ratio, if you need a vertical or landscape video. After you've done all the change, just click on download button. It will take some time to create your video. So our video is ready, it will automatically download to your PC. You can open your video and that's it, we are done. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to share with you the top 5 destinations in Dubai that will impress your lover. Dubai is known for its luxurious lifestyle, stunning skyscrapers. You can create unlimited videos with this AI tool. So, if you're planning a romantic trip, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit like, share and subscribe button to get more amazing videos.